Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a digital white metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. We've got 18-inch alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Looking on the inside, we've got a black M96 interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, heated seats, memory seats, ambient lighting, power windows, heated steering wheel. Also included in the Premium 1 package, you're going to get dual 10.25 high resolution monitors for your instrument cluster and your media display. We've got touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera, touchscreen media display. Also new to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX. You're able to give it voice commands by saying, "Hey my Mercedes, change ambient lights to green."
Okay, I'm changing the color.
And as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands and it will do so. We've got dual climate controls, we've got wireless charging, USB port, our key, our new touchpad for our multimedia system, dynamic selects for different driving styles. This CLA has very low mileage, Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this CLA, check out feldmanimports.com.